This love, no walangolo. This love, no one ting ting yo. This love, no walangolo. This love, no one ting ting yo.
Baby girl, I love you, sit down on it. Maybe girl, come run up on it. I know you love this beat, sweet melanin. Oh, Ghana, you could be my sweet senori.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be creating this look. So if you want to see this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this look. So let's get straight into the video. See, I went ahead and I lined my brows with my pencil, and I'm using my Colourful No Filter concealer right now to prime my lid so we can go in with the colorful shadows, because that's what we're going for. So as you can see, just blending it, and this is a flat top brush from Sigma, the Sigma dupe. As you can see, I'm using this nice green, and this is coming from the Marvelous Mattes palette from Makeup Revolution. I'll attach a link to the right of your screen so you can go and look at the video that I did reviewing this palette, guys. Very affordable palette, $5 US, £4, super pigmented, and it does the job well. So I'm using this brush from Sylyne. Also, if you haven't seen that video of these brushes, go and check it out, guys. You're missing out on the cheap, affordable $12 15-piece brush set from Sylyne. Yes, go and check it out. So see, it's blending the green shadow seamlessly. If you have smaller eyes, this brush can do the job. You don't have to worry about buying big Morphe brushes. You have nice brushes that fit your lids. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette. This is the Subculture dupe. I also reviewed this. Yes, I reviewed this. I reviewed most of the things that I'm using in my videos. I review them. So I don't just review stuff, I actually use them because they work. So yeah, so I'm defining right now, blending out, went in with my cut crease, and I used the Makeup Revolution, the Colourful No Filter concealer in dark 46. And guys, I kind of waited for the concealer to dry down a bit, because oh no, actually what I did, I mixed the Colourful No Filter concealer with a little bit of Fawn, LA Girls, because the Colourful dries down very fast, and I still wanted the the area to be tacky, so I kind of mixed a little bit with the Colourful so that it could give it that nice texture that is nice and tacky and thick. Yeah, so that's what we did actually. And as you can see, I'm just stamping the brush onto my lids so that it can create a very clean, sharp line, and also so that the base can be flawless. Now I'm gonna go in with my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, my all-time favorite palette, my all-time favorite makeup palette, eyeshadow brand. I don't know what can I say, makeup brand. I don't know, I just love Juvia's Place. Their shadows are so pigmented, and they're like just different, and I really appreciate what Juvia's Place is about. I really appreciate what they started for, and I love it, and I'm using the palette, and I proudly say that I'm a Juvia's Place, yeah. Fangirl, I don't know, but yeah. But as you can see, we're using this nice purple from the same Zulu palette, and I'm adding that to the inner corners, not the inner corners, the inner portion of the cut crease area, and we're just not blending it nicely. And then I went over to where I had the pink, and I tried to kind of fade it in with the purple, and I'm using the same brush that we used to blend or to add the pink and the purple shadow. I just turned them on different sides. So as you can see, I'm using the Magic palette, and I'm using the Magic palette because the Magic palette has this really nice blue that I really love. It's very nice and very pigmented. When you blend it out, it has that nice little green hue to it. Very nice. So as you can see, I'm going back in with this nice blending brush from Sylyne, and I'm trying to blend out the blue into the green. See, and it's doing a perfect job, and you don't have to worry about the brush being too big.
So as you can see, I'm using my liner brush from Sylyne, and I'm using this AliExpress liner, and this AliExpress liner, gel liner, is super creamy, so it gets the job done. But one thing that you have to be careful about is, you know, looking up, especially if you have hooded lids or smaller eyes. Just make sure that the liner dries down a little bit before you start, you know, looking up and all of that. But I'm just, you know, trying to do the liner, and it did a good job. No problem. I didn't have any real problem trying to define my line. But yeah, just adding that to make sure that everything is looking all nice and clean as possible. Not perfect because we're still learning. Yeah. So I went in with the same concealer brush just to clean it up a little bit, and then eventually I'm going to use the brush to just fill in that area where, you know, you see that little gap. Yeah. So I went in with the same brush again, and we used the concealer to just add that to the lower lids because we're going to go in with the same colors. Yes, as you can see, so we're adding that nice pink from the Zulu palette from Juvia's place. Then we added the purple, and then we're going to go in with that nice deep blue again, and then we just went ahead and faded that out, and then we're finished. We're basically finished. Yes, just going in now to just, you know, really define the line, and we're finished. Went in with my mascara, my lashes, did my foundation off camera, all of that, highlighter, added my wig, and we're ready to go. Almost ready to serve you the finished look. Really love it, guys. Look at the lashes, guys. AliExpress. I leave a link to the right of your screen. AliExpress, guys. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video. Video phone. Watch me on your video phone. If you want me, you can catch me on your video screen. Ha, ha, ha.